Hi students, in the previous class we have seen the square of binomials by using a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. Today also the application of a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. How to simplify these binomials, square of binomials. Look at first problem, first one solution. So 2a plus b whole square. What is the form of this? It looks like a plus b whole square. But in the place of a, what do you have? 2a. In the place of b, you have b only. Okay? First you recognize them. It looks like a plus b whole square. You know the formula a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Since a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Clear? A plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. So, what is the value of 2a whole square? What is the value of 2a whole square? What is the value of 2a whole square? 2a into 2a, 2 times we have to multiply, right? 2 2s are 4. A into a square. So, this will be 4a square. 2a into 2a, that equal to 4a square. 2 into 2, 4, a into a square. Plus 2 2s are 4, ab plus b square. You cannot simplify further, so that is the final answer. Therefore, 2a plus b whole square equal to 4a square plus 4ab plus b square. Clear? That is the first solution. Now look at the second one. That is also same a plus b whole square formula. Second solution. What is the second one? 3a plus 7b whole square. A plus b whole square form, but in the place of a we have 3a, in place of b you have 7b, right? So I'll apply the formula a square plus 2ab plus b square. So since a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Did you understand now? In the place of a we have 3a, in place of b we have 7b. A square plus 2ab plus b square. What is the value of 3a whole square? What is the value of 3a whole square? 3a whole square means 3a into 3a. 2 times we have to multiply, right? 3 3s are 9. A into a square. So 9a square plus 2 3s are 6. 6 7s are 42 ab plus what is 7b whole square? 7b into 7b, right? 2 times we have to multiply. 2 2 7 7s are 49. b into b square. That's all. 3a plus 7b whole square equal to 9a square plus 42ab plus 49b square. That's all the solution. Okay? Third and fourth again a minus b whole square model. Let me see. Clear now? So third solution we will see. Third solution, 3a minus 4b whole square. It looks like a minus b whole square, where a value 3a and b value 4b, right? A value 3a and b value 4b. So a square 3a whole square minus 2ab, 2 into 3a into 4b plus b square. B value how much? 4b. So 4b whole square. What is the formula of a minus b whole square? So a square minus 2ab plus b square. Is that clear? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Now 3a into 3a, how much? 9 a square, as I told you earlier. 3a into 3a, 3 3s are 9, a into a square. 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24 ab plus 4 4s are 16 b square. Okay, therefore 3a minus 4b whole square equal to 9a square minus 24ab plus 16b square. That is the end of solution. Fourth one, 3a by 2b minus 2b by 3a whole square. What is the value of a here? What is the value of a? A equal to 3a by 2b and b equal to 2b by 3a. Okay. So what is the formula of a minus b whole square? A square minus 2a b plus b square. 2b by 3a whole square. Since a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Formula you should write under sin system. Okay. What is the formula? A square minus 2ab plus b square. What is 3a by 2b whole square? 3a by 2b into 3a by 2b. 2 times we have to multiply. This is okay now. A square minus 2ab plus b square. In the place of a I wrote 3a by 2b. In place of b I wrote 2b by 3a. 3 3s are 9. 9 a square by 2 2s are 4 b square. Right? Here 2 2 gets cancelled. 3 3 gets cancelled. Then what is remaining? 2ab. Oh, sorry. B cancel and a also gets cancelled. So everything is cancelled. So 1 remains there. Plus 2 2s are 4 b square by 3 3s are 9 a square. That's all now. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9 b square by a square. Therefore 3a by 2b minus 2b by 3a whole square equal to 9a square by 4b square minus 1 plus 4b square by 9a square. That's all for the solution. So 4 completed, right? Next, fifth one, a plus b whole square again. So fifth one, see. Fifth one, fifth solution, 3x plus 4y whole square. It looks like a plus b whole square. A equal to 3x and b value 4y. So what is the formula for a plus b whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Since a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So what is the 3x whole square? 3 3s are 9, x into x, x square, plus 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24 xy. 4 4s are 16 y square, right? 4y whole square. 4y whole square means 4y into 4y. 4 4s are 16, y into y, y square. Therefore, 3x plus 4y whole square equal to 9x square plus 24xy plus 16y square. Sixth one. Look at sixth one. 2a minus 3b whole square. So it looks like a minus b whole square, where a value 2a and b value 3b. So a value 2a and b value 3b. So a square minus 2ab plus b square. Since a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Formula. 2a whole square means 2 2s are 4, a square. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, ab. 3b whole square means 3b into 3b. 3 3s are 9, b into b, b square. Therefore, 2a minus 3b whole square equal to 4a square minus 12ab plus 9b square. That is the end of solution. Okay. Seventh one, a minus b whole square again. Seventh one, 2x minus 1 by 3x whole square. Formula a minus b whole square, where a value 2x and b value 1 by 3x, right? A value 2x and b value 1 by 3x. So a square 2x whole square 2ab, 2 into a value 2x and b value 1 by 3x plus b square 1 by 3x whole square. So a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So 4x square, because 2x into 2x, 4x square, x gets cancelled, 2 2s are 4 by 3 plus 1 by 3x means 1 by 9x square. 3 3s are 9, x into x, x square. Therefore, 2x minus 1 by 3x whole square equal to 4x square minus 4 by 3 plus 1 by 9x square. Eighth one you see, last one. X by 2 minus y by 3 whole square. It looks like a minus b whole square, where a value x by 2 and b value y by 3. So a square x by 2 whole square 2ab x by 2 y by 3 plus b square y by 3 whole square. Since a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, right? So this will be x square by 4, because x by 2 into x by 2, x square by 4 minus 2 gets cancelled, xy by 3 plus y square by 3 3s are 9. Therefore, x by 2 minus y by 3 whole square equal to x square by 4 minus xy by 3 plus y square by 9. Because y by 3 into y by 3, y square by 3 3s are how much? 9. That is the end of solution. Okay? So we will see some more problems in the next class. Thank you.